When you move into a care home, there may be changes to what benefits you can claim. In this video, we will go over the benefits that can be paid to people in care homes and in what circumstances. Just because a certain benefit can be paid, it does not mean that you are entitled to it. Your eligibility for a benefit will usually depend on whether you pay for everything yourself or get help from your local authority. These are the benefits that can be paid in a care home. If you have reached state pension age, you will still be able to claim the basic state pension or new state pension, depending on when you were born. If you are a self-funder, you will continue to receive your pension as normal. If your local authority is paying towards the fees, your pension will be classed as income when they calculate how much you should contribute. You will still be able to claim pension credit when you move into a care home. The amount may be affected depending on if you are part of a couple, as you will be treated as a single person for permanent care home stays. Employment and support allowance is for people who are unable to work due to an illness or disability. The benefit can continue to be paid in a care home. However, you will need to report your change of circumstance and the amount you get may change. Attendance allowance is for people of state pension age with a disability or terminal illness who need someone to look after them. If you pay for your own care, you will continue to receive payments as normal. If your local authority is contributing towards your fees, payments will stop after the first 28 days. Personal independence payment is for people aged between 16 and 64 and has two parts, a mobility component and a daily living component. If you are paying for your own care, you will continue to receive both components of PIP as normal. If you receive help with costs from the council, the daily living part of PIP will only be paid for the first 28 days or until after you have sold your home. The mobility component of PIP is paid in all circumstances. Industrial Injuries Disablement benefit is for people who have become ill or disabled from a work-related incident. It can be paid for life or for a fixed period, and you can continue to receive it in a care home. Armed Forces Independence Payment is a benefit for service personnel and veterans who have been seriously injured because of their service. If you move into a care home, you can continue to claim it. You can continue to claim universal credit if you move into a care home, but the amount may change. It is paid to people of working age, so if you have reached state pension age, you must instead claim pension credit. The extra income from universal credit will be taken into account by your local authority when they assess whether they should help you pay for care. Bereavement support payment has replaced widows' pensions, widows' parents' allowance, and bereavement payment. You may be eligible if your husband, wife, or civil partner died in the last 21 months and you claim within 3 months of their death. They must have died when you were under state pension age and were living in the UK or another country that pays bereavement benefits. Statutory sick pay is paid by your employer for up to 28 weeks. If you move into a care home, it will continue to be paid. For more help and advice related to care homes, visit carehome.co.uk/advice.